Hey guys, I am back and I'm going to show you a Cherokee. It's a bunkhouse, but the way they laid this out, I absolutely love. It is a 2024 and I think that you guys will like it, but of course I always want to hear what you have to say. So let's start from the outside in and go from there. And great that it has an outdoor kitchen that is giant. So I can't wait to show you that, but let's go. Guys, we've got our Cherokee. It is a 2025. I think I mentioned earlier that it's a 2024, but it is a 2025 and the model is 294GEBG. We've got one slide on this side. You got your outdoor shower, your tankless water heater. You've got two doors, speakers. You got your long awning as well. And let's take a look at our outdoor kitchen. Let's see. Okay, so you've got a nice big fridge. I mean, love it. You've got an ice maker, a griddle, a sink, storage, lights. You've got some area right here for storage or whatever you might use it for. But, I mean, this thing is massive. Very, very nice. You've got a rack on the back, and then you do have your backup camera prep as well. You've got a little leash latch for your puppy, but let's take a look inside. Okay. So I really want to, I love the layout of this. I love how spacious this thing is, and I love the colors. It looks beautiful. So right here when you walk in, you do have a ladder that goes up into a nice big bed. Of course, two people can for sure sleep in this one. It's got privacy curtain. It's got outlets, charging outlets. It's got lights as well. You've got a fireplace heater right here. Then down the hall, you do have two more bunks. You got this one, and you have that one as well, which is nice. Plus an area to walk, an area to play on. If you have little kiddos, they can play on the floor. You've got a little closet here with some storage underneath, which is great. I love this space. I love how they did this. I think it's a really cute way. Kiddos love it too. And then you do have a privacy curtain right here as well. You've got this big, beautiful U-shaped dinette, which of course goes into a bed or a big couch. You've got storage underneath as well. Super comfy. So, you know, if you have extra people that are staying, you do have some more room for a bed. You've got a nice, beautiful kitchen over here. I absolutely love this. So you've got your nice big sink. You got your glass cleaner that everybody loves. You've got storage above and below. You've got your 3-burner, and you do have an air fryer convection oven, so that takes also place for your microwave, which is great. You've got a nice big fridge. Now this is one of those fridges that opens on both sides, and I love those, but it's really big, so it's really, I mean, plenty of space in here. You've got a pantry as well. It's nice and big, so plenty of space. I love how much storage is in here. You've got a little couch over here. Of course, this couch also turns into a bed, and then you do have a place to put your entertainment. A nice big TV right here as well. Down the hall, we've got our bathroom, which is quite big, but it also has the door to the master bedroom, which I really love, plus the door to outside. So if those kids need to wash their hands, they're running in and out, they don't have to run into the kitchen. They have a door that they can run in and out from. You've got a nice oversized shower as well. But again, plenty of space in here, a nice big sink, and storage on top and below. And then down the hall, we do have our master bedroom, which you are able to walk on both sides. You've got storage all the way around. I love how much space you have in here. And you got more storage here that goes all the way down. And again, you do have more over on that side. You've got lights right above, nice big bed. And again, that the door to the bathroom, easy access to the bathroom was always nice. You can mount your entertainment right there, but you do have quite a bit of room in here. So that's really, really nice. You've got outlets and chargers everywhere. So that's always good. You can't have too many of those. But what do you guys think? What do you think about this 2025 Cherokee? I absolutely love it. The space that they used for the bunkhouse is absolutely just, I think it's a great idea. You've got 2 up there. You got 2 in there. I mean, just plenty of space here. All right, guys. So let me know what you think. My information is below. If you want any information, please contact me. You know how to get a hold of me. But until next time.